Most people spend years trying to change their lives without realizing what is really running the show. In this video, we are going to dive deep and discover how your story is keeping you from doing the changes you want. How your story is preventing you to get where you want to go. You start a project and you stop it. You feel frustrated with yourself. You know what to do, but don't do it. You procrastinate. If that's you, keep listening. Under every life story, there is a hidden story. And when you start to understand what is your hidden story, you will stop fighting yourself. You will start to understand yourself. What keeps us stuck, it may be protecting us. What we don't realize is that we have a bodyguard, a place of us that is protecting us. If we are successful, we have to show up. If we don't show up, we don't get disappointed, we don't get hurt, we don't get rejected. Every pattern has a payoff. It is our hidden protector. And that is where our nervous system work becomes very important to locate those protectors. Our nervous system is always seeking familiarity over change or transformation. Those will cause stress. Here is a question I want you to consider. What is your stuckness protecting? Not what is costing you, because that you know. However, what is it protecting? Maybe being stuck protects you from failure. If you never fully commit, you never fail. Perhaps staying stuck protects you from success. Success might bring you visibility, responsibility, change. Write in the comments where you feel stuck, because awareness changes everything. When we open our field of awareness, things starts to lose its power. We have more options to create new possibilities. When you feel stuck, pause, notice, and tell yourself, and instead of telling yourself, oh no, I'm doing it again, change your script. Take a deep breath and tell yourself, okay, this is it. This is my hidden protector. And now tell yourself, thank you for your protection. And make a different choice. And step by step, you create freedom in your life, a new way of being. Next video, we are going to dive into a fascinating topic. Stay tuned. I'll see you soon.